Well, there you have it. The engine is back in the Muscle Car Madness garage. This thing is getting very exciting now for me, isn't it? Hopefully for you as well. So I'll see you next time here on Muscle Car Madness. Gentlemen, welcome back to the garage. So today what we're going to do is continuing work on the Mach 1, of course. And I've done some things here in the past that are going to help me become, a little bit more safe, as you're going to see. But this is where the car is going to be for a period of time when I'm working on the bodywork. So let me show you. So this is the outside of Muscle Car Madness garage. Just enclosed, of course, that in there where all the parts and engine and everything is. But here it is here, enclosed. And there's my 6-ton jack right there, as you can see. And so I can only lift the car, though, about 4 feet, which is going to work out all right for me to do all the body work and everything on the exterior. But on the interior, or under the bottom, I'm going to have to get a, rolling chair or whatever just to do all that work. So today I'm going to be working on taking off the bumper, lower valance, and then eventually I'm going to work on get that trunk out. So I got a new floor, as you may remember, and that will be coming out as well. But the tank, I'm going to try to drop it out today. Of course, all this is gone. I've got all the replacement parts for all this trunk. This is gone. All that new will be replaced. So therefore, I'm going to clean her up. Had some birds come in, shit on the car. I can't have that. So I'm going to clean it up, and then I'm going to work on dropping out that tank. So here we go. Just like the factory. Check it out. Mach cleaned up as much as it can be. So now I'm going to work on getting the bumper and everything off that rear end, and then eventually dropping that tank. So let's get it on. Alright, so we're going to take off bumper here and the valance here. I think I'm going to have to go up a little bit because of bolts underneath there. So I'm going to go all the way up with it. There's some safety jacks that I've recently purchased, 4 feet high, that have stabilized the car a lot better. Now it's on this jack. It doesn't move at all. So you remember how I was real squeamish. Remember, I don't know if you remember this, but when I first got this thing, I had some slide under jacks. I felt like at any moment this thing's gonna fall over on me, so this is gonna take care of this. So here we go. This one was barely hanging on right here, and as you can see, there's a brace right there holding on to it. Over here, same thing. Look at that. Just barely hanging on. This thing is going to be, in fact, I already bought another one. So I am just going to dispose of this the Southern way. Look at the that had to be from the factory there, don't you think? FAL, that couldn't be a Falcon. I don't know. But that's on the underside of that valance. Alright, let me show you what I'm looking at now. So I got the straps off. You saw that. And this is the gauge. Goes to the gauge. And of course that's the line right there. And then these straps right in there. So I'm assuming there is something above there in the trunk that holds them on. And this thing, the tank, looks like it's ready to come down. As you can see on this side, I mean, it's moving. It may be something in the trunk, but I think I'm going, once I let this down, you know, the fuel line, my thinking is that it will be ready to go. So I'm going to work on that, and then let's see what happens. You know what it is? It's the cap inside here. That's exactly what it is. So, hang on a second. I want to show y'all something here now. This is the fuel filler cap. Now look at that. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, different bolt, no bolt, and a stripped off bolt. Which is an indicator to me this may not have been the original cap. I don't know what bolt. I think maybe it was this bolt was the original, and these two were put in. That doesn't look like original to me. So I'm going to take this off, and I think maybe at that point the filler hole will be loosened up. Take this thing out. You see here, it's a 5-bolt pattern. But, see if this thing will zoom in. That bolt right there this one has been sheared off, as you can see right here. Yeah, so the bolts were not original, and I'm assuming this gas cap is, but I'm gonna do a little more research on that. So all right, one step closer, here we go.